Right, yesterday I did a test with the GoPro Air 12 and using the AirPods. So I come back and I thought they never worked. I still uploaded the video and I got a comment off somebody saying, which I do appreciate your feedback, saying that I think they wasn't connected proper. You're correct, they wasn't. There was, but there wasn't. Now what I've done is I'm using the media mod attached to the GoPro Aero 12 and I'm using the Volta. Now if you have the media mod on and you've got the microphones on the front and back, well basically you can't have your AirPods on. You've got to turn the media mod microphone to camera, so you're using the camera and then your AirPods will work. And also you can play the sound back, watch the video on the camera at the back of the screen, and you lay them through your AirPods. So it is working and you can listen to your, some people say you can't listen to your playback through your headphones. Well, you can, and the media mod does work with it and it sets it up straight away. The Volta is connected. It's just the headphones didn't work yesterday, and that was only because I had the microphones from the media mod on. And the other good thing is with the GoPro Aero 12, what no one's talking about is you can have on the Aero 10, which I was using media mod on, you could only have either the front microphone or the back microphone. On the Aero 12 you can have front and back microphone straight away. So that's another good thing what GoPro Aero 12 does as well. So let's go and take it for a test and see how it goes with the AirPods and the media mod. So this time I have sorted it, I hope it's sorted it, with the AirPods third generation. It's a little bit windy today, so you might hear the noise coming through the AirPods microphones. Did it work? Well, let us go and test from a distance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it now at a distance away, and then I'm going to show you the settings if you're using a media mod, what to do on the Volta stick. So just to show you that they do work from a distance now compared to before, I'm going to walk away, my voice shouldn't change. So it's a good distance away, see if it catches connected now. So just watch me steps, how many steps away I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm never going to be much further than that away. It's only if like we're going somewhere, we're doing something, and I want my voice still to be recorded. The thing is, the other thing, what I was thinking of is, whichever microphone it is, would it also, if I give Jam one of the earbuds, I keep calling them earbuds, if I give Jam one of the earpods, would it pick her voice up as well? So we can try that out on the next video. Well, let me just go through the settings of how I've connected the media mod with the GoPro Volta stick and the AirPods. If I wouldn't have had these little rubber things, this lanyard on, I probably would have lost these already. So just a cheap lanyard for your AirPods from Amazon. So let's go and show you the setup. So now I've just switched over to the Aero 10, just while I show you around the Aero 12. So I'm just going to show you the setup of how I've got it. So basically, this is the Aero 12 set with the GoPro Volta and the media mod. So it's charging it up. So let me just show you the settings. Just going to plug that so you can see the screen at the back. So I'm just going to power it on with the Volta. So one of the settings of the back of this, let me just see if I can get it so the sun's not shining on it. So I'm just going to try and show you the settings what I've got. So basically, if I go to custom 2, the one I've customed, and you can see, sorry, go back, custom 2. If you look at the settings, I'm on HDR, 16.9, 4K, 30 frames. I've got the lens on wide, I've got the hyper smooth on, but if you come further down, white balance auto, sharpness medium, wind auto, colour natural, raw audio off. Now you can see where it says media front. Now what you need to do, if you've got that on media front, you won't be able to use your AirPods because the media mode is taken over. So if you come down, you've got the back camera and then you've got camera mic. That is what you need to be on to let your AirPods work. The good thing on this as well is also, I don't know if it's happened on the Aero 11, but on the 12 you've got the option of having front and back microphone on your media mod. Now on the Aero 10, all I was allowed to have was either the front or the back or the camera. Now I can have front and back, but if you're using AirPods, go to the setting where it says camera mics, and then you can use your AirPods. So it's a new thing where, for me anyway, where I've got the front and back camera. So that's what I've done. So when you're setting everything up and you're picking your custom settings, make sure that you go to the media mod, camera mics is on that for your AirPods to work. That is how you get your AirPods to work with the media mod and the camera. If you do it with the camera, obviously your media mod's not going to be attached to it, so it will connect straight away. And the other good thing as well is you can listen through your AirPods should say, when you're on playback. So when I got playback, it'll play through my AirPods, if you get what I mean. So that's one of the easiest things to do. You can see me in the video there, and the video's just played and I've shown you. It will play through your AirPods. I can't show you to listen, well, I can't let you listen through the AirPods because as soon as you take them out your ears, they turn off. So that's one good thing. So that is the problem what I had. The microphones seem to break up every now and again. perhaps I don't know what I was doing, if it was doing something different or what, I don't know, but it has, the media mod does work. But if you're using AirPods, you've got to turn the microphones to the camera, not to the media mod, front and back, front. So that's one good thing I've learned today. And the other thing is, Jan's just tried the AirPod in her ear, and she can have one and I can have one, so that works as well. So it is all looking good. It's just getting used to some more settings on it and seeing how we go with that. So it's something what people's not talking about. They're not, I mean, obviously it's a new camera, so obviously people's picking up on different things, and if it lets other people know about it and the different settings, we can all work together on it. But like I say, there was nothing ever mentioned about the media mod and then having your AirPods. If you've got the media mod anyway, you're going to have the microphone whichever way, front and back. But that's a good thing, having it on the front and the back now, where it never used to have that. It was either the front or the back or through your camera mic. But now you can do front and back. So you can turn your camera around, still talk, and it still picks you up. Now, the AirPods situation for me was basically if out vlogging or whichever I'm doing, and I want to put my camera down somewhere and I still want to pick my voice up, at least now I can put the camera down and still talk to the camera, if you know what I mean, from a distance. That's what I meant. But yeah, it's no, I'm not going to give you any of these posh bloody camera lights behind me or showing you the different settings and setting it all up, posh screens and things like that. I've done it the way I've done it, the way general public is, me, who I'd like to see it. I'd like to see it works straight, no John Bull. It's done. That's how you do it. It's done with. But yeah, if you like the video, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and I'm going to keep trying different settings on it. If I come across anything else, I can let you know then. So hit that little bell icon for any notifications, and I'll see you all soon on the next one. Little bit jumbly at times, but obviously I'm not like a proper reviewer and doing all these like posh camera angles and things like that. I'm just giving it to you as I see it. So I'll see you all soon. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.